DigitalMarketingFootprint.com, the complete search engine, social media and Facebook, strategic digital marketing consultative training program. Frequently asked question: what is the content leverage marketing module concerned with? The concept really is quite simple. Consider the reason why anyone accesses the internet to consume content. As business owners, we want to make sure that we present our content, product and services related news and information to those who are target customers in different forms such as video, blogging, articles, press releases, email, etc., etc. This is the essence of content leverage marketing, as we look to get the most out of every piece of content that we produce, making sure that it is available in as many channels as possible. Want to learn more? Visit DigitalMarketingFootprint.com today.